Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to edit the menu bar size on Chrome. While using YouTube, Chrome does not have a direct setting to change the menu bar size, but you can adjust the zoom level to make the menu appear larger or smaller. Press Ctrl and the plus button on your keyboard to zoom in, or press Ctrl and minus to zoom out. And if you are on Mac, press CMD and plus to zoom in, CMD and minus to zoom out. This affects the entire page, including the menu bar icon and text, making it easier to navigate or fit more content on screen. We just changed the Chrome menu bar size on YouTube by adjusting the page zoom level, improving visibility and usability according to preference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos